Have you ever imagined a farmer flying a drone or checking their crops with just a smartphone? This is not a science fiction. This is the future of farming, and it's happening now. For many years, farmers have struggled with unpredictable weather, low productivity, and limited access to information. Traditional farming methods are no longer enough to feed a growing population. One of the most popular innovations is the use of drones. Drones can fly over large farms to monitor crop health, spray fertilizers, and detect pests early. Smart irrigation systems give just the right amount of water based on soil and weather conditions. They help farmers save water and grow more with less. We also have soil sensors that can measure moisture, pH, and nutrition in real time. This helps farmers make better decisions. Mobile apps like AgriDoc or iGrow give farmer access to market price, planting schedules, and weather forecasts, all from their phones. These technologies are not just helping big farms, they're changing the lives of small farmers too. With better information and tools, farmers can reduce costs, increase production, and improve food security. Smart farming is the key to a more sustainable future. Together, we can grow food wisely, protect nature, and support farmers around the world.